طلباء پہاڑی پر چڑھ گئے.
The students trudged up the hill. The students trudged up the hill.
میری قمیض جوس سے داغدار تھی.
My shirt was stained with juice. My shirt was stained with juice.
اس کے رد عمل پر وہ چونک پڑا.
He looked taken aback at her reaction. He looked taken aback at her reaction.
میں نے حیرت سے معلومات کا جواب دیا.
I responded to the information with a surprise. I responded to the information with a surprise.
اسے پکڑنا ہوگا.
He has to be apprehended. He has to be apprehended.
شام تک خط بھیجنا طے تھا.
The letter was scheduled to be sent by evening. The letter was scheduled to be sent by evening.
اسکول کے پرنسپل نے نتائج کو بلند آواز میں پڑھ کر سنایا.
The results were read out loud by the principal of the school. The results were read out loud by the principal of the school.
مجھے کام سے جلدی نکلنا پڑا.
I had to depart early from work. I had to depart early from work.
اس نے دیکھتے ہی تیز سانس لی.
He inhaled sharply at the sight. He inhaled sharply at the sight.
آپ کو یہ یقینی بنانا ہوگا کہ منصوبہ اس کے مطابق چلے.
You have to make sure the plan goes accordingly. You have to make sure the plan goes accordingly.